procedures or PDF files on a tablet are usually black and white with limited images. The more complex the procedure, the more a technician needs to go back and forth to verify the next steps. Too often, papers get lost and critical steps are skipped or misunderstood. Any error in the workflow can lead to a failure or accident. Work instructions provided via a connected workforce app can be enriched with images and videos for greater clarity. And thanks to the Procedure Manager's conditional workflow building capability, individual colleagues will only see the steps that apply to their particular role. Meaning, you can give even inexperienced users the confidence to get it right first time, accelerating the onboarding process.